Yeah. Yeah. What do you think about all that? Huh? What do you think about all that? Huh? Yeah. Oh.
No more shouting? Look how baggy that shirt is on her.
It's baggy. How's that? Is that better? Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Attack Daddy's face. Oh. Oh.
She just licked your forehead.
That can't be very tasty. Yeah? Oh. You just give me a shower, aren't you? Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh. Oh. Yeah? That's an ear. You want that ear? You have them too. Yeah? What you gonna do with that ear? You have one too.
Gigi.
Oh.
She's really obsessed with your hair.
Mm-hmm. It doesn't do much. Ready? Yeah. Want this ear, huh? Okay. You can have it. You can take it with you.
Gigi.
Like this one? Look at your mama.
Gigi. Gigi.
Oh, who's that?
Gigi.
Who's that?
Hi, baby girl. Hi. She's like, I got one thing on my mind, and that's Daddy's ear. Okay, wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.